Welcome to Bitucate, Unlocking Knowledge and Powering Future. What are the types of cryptocurrency tokens? Utility token. Utility token isn't like regular money you use to buy things in stores. Instead, it's like a ticket that lets you use a particular service or product in the digital world. For example, think of it like this. You want to play games on a gaming platform, but instead of paying with regular money, you use utility tokens. Each time you want to play a game or access a special feature, you spend some utility tokens. Utility tokens are valuable because they give you access to things you want in that digital world. The more useful the platform or service is, the more valuable the utility tokens become because everyone wants them to do cool stuff. So, in a nutshell, utility tokens are like special tickets that let you access and use a specific services or products in a digital environment. And their value comes from how much people want those services or products. Security token. Imagine you're buying a piece of a big cake, but instead of a real cake, it's a digital cake represented by something called a security token. Now, this digital cake isn't just any cake. It's a special cake that promises to give you a share of profits or benefits from something real, like a company's earnings or property rental income. So, when you buy a piece of this digital cake, the security token, you're essentially buying a share of ownership in whatever the token represents. If the company makes money, you might get a slice of that profit. Or, if it's a property, you could get a share of the rent. But here's the catch. Because security tokens represent real-world assets and promise financial returns, they're regulated by the government to protect investors. That means they have to follow rules and regulations to make sure everything is fair and transparent. So, in simple terms, security tokens are like digital pieces of cake that represent ownership and something real and promise you a slice of the profits. But they have to play by the rules set by the government. Privacy token. Imagine sending a letter, but instead of anyone being able to see the contents, you use a special envelope that only you and the recipient can open. That's a bit like what privacy tokens do in the digital world. When you use regular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, anyone can see where the money goes and how much is sent. But with privacy tokens, the details of the transaction are hidden. So it's much harder for others to see who sent the money, who received it, and how much was sent. This privacy feature is handy because it helps keep your financial information confidential and protects your identity when making transactions. It's like wearing an invisibility cloak for your money. So, in simple terms, privacy tokens are like using secret envelopes for your digital money, keeping your transactions private and your financial information secure. Stable coins. Other cryptocurrencies whose value can go up and down a lot, stable coins try to settle stable, like a rock in the ocean. Here's how they do it. Stable coins are usually tied to something solid, like a regular currency, like the US dollar, or a commodity, like gold. So, if you have one stable coin, it might always be worth about the same as one US dollar or a certain amount of gold. Why would you want stable coins? Well, because they're stable. They're less risky to use for everyday things like buying stuff or saving money. Regular cryptocurrencies can be like riding a roller coaster with their prices going up and down all the time. Stable coins are more like riding a calm boat on a steady sea. People use stable coins for all sorts of things, like making payments, trading on crypto exchanges, or just keeping their money safe when they think the regular crypto market is too volatile. So, in simple terms, stable coins are like special coins that try to stay steady in value, making them a safer and more reliable option for using cryptocurrency in everyday life. Non-fungible tokens. Think of NFTs like unique digital trading cards or collectibles in the online world. In the real world, if you have a $10 bill and your friend has a different $10 bill, you can swap them and you both still have the same value. That's because money is fungible. Each unit is the same as every other unit. But with NFTs, each token is unique and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis like regular money. Each NFT has its own special information stored on a blockchain, which makes it one of a kind and different from any other token. For example, if you own an NFT of a digital artwork, even if someone makes an exact copy of that artwork, your NFT is still the original one, and it holds its unique value because of its authenticity and ownership. People collect NFTs for all sorts of digital assets like art, music, videos, virtual real estate, and even tweets. It's like collecting rare and valuable items in a virtual world. But instead of physical objects, they're digital creations stored securely on a blockchain. So, in simple terms, non-fungible tokens are like unique digital items or collectibles that you can own and trade, each with its own special value and identity in the digital universe. Win an instant 50 pesos GCash or $1 USD? Here are the rules. First, join us on our Biducate Telegram group. Second, follow us on X or Twitter. Third, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Lastly, drop a comment saying done with your Telegram handle in this video. We're selecting 5 lucky winners. Announcement will be on our next video. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new today. Please like, subscribe, and follow us on all our socials. Don't forget to comment your insights about this video. See ya!